Welcome to Roy Nichols Motors, 2728 Courtice Road in Courtice, Ontario, Canada. Looking at this unbelievable, gorgeous satin steel metallic 2018 Chevy Tahoe Premier Edition 4-wheel drive. Under the hood you have the Ecotec 3 5.3 liter direct injection V8 engine, variable valve timing, 6-speed automatic transmission. Right away I'm attracted to those 22-inch 6-spoke chrome multi-feature design aluminum wheels. There's a ton to offer inside. Follow me, let's take a look. Yeah, this vehicle is gorgeous inside and out. Leather upholstery all throughout. Perforated leather, in fact, because you do have the vented seats. Get to that in a second. 10-way power adjustable driver seat, including lumbar support. Bose premium speakers. Memory presets for your seat and mirror. Storage in the door. Power windows. Power folding mirror as well here. Power locks. You have child safety lock for the rear windows and locks. Door-to-door assist step. Nothing wrong with that to get in and out of the vehicle. Here you have your ultrasonic park assist sensors, your lane keep assist power pedals that move back and forth, traction and stability control. You have heads-up display, lighting, 4x4, trailer brake integration. You have your cruise control right on the steering wheel here, front collision alert, heated steering wheel. I'll engage that right now just for fun. It's a little cooler out. Bluetooth hands-free communication, tools to navigate through your menu and sound system. Toggles on the back of the steering wheel, this side volume, the other side memory presets to get through your stations, AM, FM, SXM, satellite radio. Signal wiper operation, you have the tow haul mode right there. On the gear shifter, put the vehicle in reverse. Tahoe shows a beautiful view on the color touchscreen here with dynamic grid lines. It's going to make attaching a trailer, pulling the boat out of the lake, or even just parking at the grocery store a lot more safe and easy. You have the time, the temperature, audio, phone, projection, navigation, settings, texting OnStar, traffic, and shop. Touch here, memory presets right on the color touchscreen. You want to hide that wallet while you're popping into the store. Put it here, nice and safe. USB port there as well. Out of sight, love it. Slot for CDs, dual climate zone. You can sync that up if you like. You have your rear climate control here. Here it is, your heated seats and vented air-conditioned seats. Same for both driver and passenger. Power outlet, USB ports. There's everywhere you look, there's connectivity. You even have it in here in the armrest. 2 more USB ports, auxiliary audio input, auxiliary power, ton of storage space. Power mat, lay your smartphone device down here. It will charge while you're driving. You do not even have to plug it in. Of course, your cup holders right there. Very luxurious. Passenger side door storage, glove box storage, moonroof, power tilt slide for that right over here. You have your power lift gate, garage door opener, ambient lighting, overhead lighting, OnStar buttons on the rearview mirror. I'm sure I'm missing something. There's just an absolute ton to offer here. Let's take a look at the back. We'll look at the cargo area, the back seat, and then wrap it up. But yeah, you're probably going to want to come down and test drive this soon. Absolutely stunning 22-inch chrome-clad aluminum wheels, multifaceted there. You have the wheel lock for added safety. There's the ultrasonic park assist sensors along the back bumper. Touch of a button. Power lift gate opens. So you're going to have no problem putting luggage here, groceries. You know what I love? I love this other feature. Here you have this other level of storage, which is pretty great. You want to put the seats down. Touch of a button. Down she goes. Want to put it back up. Touch of a button. So there it is. To put the seats down, you're just touching buttons. Really easy. Power outlet here. Brand new, right off the truck, so there's plastic still on it. Close the power lift gate. Touch of a button. Just gorgeous. 4G LTE Wi-Fi all throughout too. Look at all the storage in the rear door. Like here, you have cup holders, power windows. So nice. Some storage here, storage in the behind the seats. You have heated seats for the second row, climate control, power outlets. So nice. Captain's chairs, center aisle. More tech and connectivity in the back too. You have your overhead lighting and vents. Man. All right, it is safe to say I am fully in love with this vehicle. What's not to like? First of all, as I said, those wheels, the 22-inch chrome-clad wheels here. The 6-spoke chrome multi-feature design aluminum wheels. The color, satin steel metallic. Absolutely in love with that color. You have luxury too, you know, like obviously it's powerful and you're not going to have trouble in snow, but there's luxury all throughout. You have the power tilt shift, the heated seats, the vented seats. Just so nice, very comfortable. You have to give it a test drive and find out for yourself. You have the safety and connectivity of OnStar, and again, 4G LTE Wi-Fi all throughout. On the 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe, it's a Premier Edition, 4-wheel drive. The color, once again, satin steel metallic. Under the hood, the Ecotec 3 5.3-liter direct injection V8 engine, variable valve timing, 6-speed automatic transmission. Woohoo! Come see it for yourself. Roy Nichols Motors, 2728 Courtice Road in Courtice, Ontario, just east of high prices. Hope to see you soon.